In part 3 of the ClassLink tutorial series, we will cover how to create and manage a single sign-on app. Recall that a single sign-on app is configured with your login credentials, allowing you to sign in to an account with a single click. You must first create the single sign-on app before you are able to configure it with your credentials. To do this, you must enter edit mode and click Add App, or click the plus sign in the upper left of your dashboard. Now that you are in your app library, search for the app that you would like to add. For this tutorial, we will search for the word code so we can add the Code Studio app. Click the Add button to add the app to your dashboard. Now, exit the app library. Now we must access your password locker in order to configure the app. Click the drop-down next to your profile picture and select My Profile to access your password locker. After clicking Password Locker on the left, click Edit next to the app that you want to configure. Now click Edit underneath the action header and add your username and password for the site. Note that setting up an app should happen after you have created the account with the resource that your app is tied to. In this case, I have already created an account with a password at Code Studio. I've now entered that username and password here. Go ahead and click Save. Exit your profile settings. And now, your configured Code Studio app is on your dashboard. Double-click your app to test it out and watch ClassLink make magic happen. ClassLink passes on your username and password to the site and logs you in. This concludes part 3 of the ClassLink tutorial series, where you learned how to create and configure a single sign-on app. Please take a look at the ClassLink videos on your dashboard for additional help with using ClassLink in your classroom.